Hello friends, today we have a immersion rod which is not working. It's Bajaj one. The thing is it is a modified one actually. The cable is extended to too long. See, it kind of compelling two heaters together. In the previous video if you have seen, I have showed you a broken uh, immersion rod. So it's from this and that's how we got. So both are integrated and brought, attained the very long cable, and it is really good quality cords. But the thing is, it is not working now. My friend was using this, so keep the multimeter in the continuity mode. Test for the confirm. Just take the connection and try to, you know, check with positive and negative. There is no reading shown in the multimeter or no beep sound, either this way or that way. Okay, right. The next thing is, I just opened it up. There were 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3. Just remove out, and maybe this may be positive, this may be negative. In AC we don't have positive and negative. When I connect these two, we get some value. Okay, it shows some resistance, which means that the coil is good in condition. Okay, you don't have to throw it out, it's good in condition. But there is some problem with the wire. Let's check. So this actually is ground. Green with yellow is ground, red is positive, and the other one is going to be black, and that will be the negative. Okay, so let's check, cross check with this. This is ground and this is ground. If you see this cable, yeah, so this is ground. This symbol represents ground. N stands for neutral, that is negative, and L stands for line, that is positive. Okay, so if there is any excess current or if there is any leakage of current, that will be, coming all the way from here through this, and it will go into the plug point, and which will reach the ground connection for the house or the building or whatever, apartment or whatever. It is important that we take care of the ground pit, maintaining it frequently, so that we can avoid electrical shocks from the refrigerator, from the immersion rods like this, and also from the some of the electrical gadgets, right? So first we're gonna do the connectivity test to check whether the wire is good in condition. Ground to ground, it's working, even though there is slight what you call resistance, which is nominal because the wire is also long and on. So let's check here. See, here it is very less, 1. When you bring it here, the resistance is more. Okay, yeah. So, and what about the other? This is plus. Why do I connect this both here? Because it looks like rusted. Making sure that these are connected properly. Okay, now check these two. So plus is not connected. Let's check with minus. Yeah. Oh, here I get some value. See, some value is there, which means this is negative, and then a negative line. This value, it's positive, you don't have any value. So there is purely of problem with the wire. So let's check. Let me open this because here we have some more connection going internally. I need to open that up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the primary screws. Okay. Opening. Yes. Oh, look at it. It's all because of the burning of this wire. Okay. Okay, this is the only reason why it is. Okay, we got it. Just let me cleanly, remove it out. Let's take this out, release the wire from this case, and then pull it up. Okay, everything got melted, so some short circuit has happened. I don't know why this happened. Okay, this needs to be taken care. You just need this type of cutter in order to handle all this problem. So just trim it out from here. Find a nice region. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. And even over here. Okay. Just we have removed the waste damaged part. Now carefully take out. If you apply more pressure or something, the main wire will get cut off. Okay. Yeah. I didn't damage it, luckily. Alright. 1, 2, 3. This is already open. Now, let me free it out of this. Okay. Come on. Make it fast. Really fast. I have to do. Yeah. So this is out now. Purely, let's check whether this cable is working good. Quickly. Ground. Working. Negative. Working. Positive. Work. At the same time, connecting here positive and negative should give some reading. 60 something. Here, when you connect directly, 55. Okay, this part is good. Now additional part only you need to look into. Just like what we did few minutes before. These tools are very cheap. You get it for 30-50 rupees. I need to eat more to get more energy. I really struggle to do this. Okay, I admit. Okay, little If you find any heater dead, okay, there are easy steps to check. You don't have to immediately throw it out. Oh, the impact is still here. That's why it was difficult to open. See, the wire looks weak till here. Alright. So yeah, it's time to couple these. Either green or yellow green is ground. Red and red are obviously they are plus, black. These are minus. Okay. So you can just twist it up, or you can also solder. In this case, I'll just go with the twisting. Soldering is not necessary actually in this application. Twist well and then apply the insulation tape keenly. Okay. Then the last one. You got so much resistance, right? It's because of the damage of the wire as well. Let us now check with this. Now we have some value coming up here. Means everything is connected and it is working. Alright, so as this is done, it's time for fitting everything after adding the insulation tape. Okay, so let us nicely fix this. The insulation, very important. Actually, the elongation was done by me. I was the one who extended the length on the application, based on the application. The plug that we have at home, the plug walls for the heater is different always from what we get outside sometimes. We had very small pin. This is very bigger, which can handle up to 16 amps. But the usual one is very less, which gets burnt out or causes or produces some sort of smell while it is working. So I thought we'll go with bigger pin. So now it is doing good, but I don't know why this got damaged. Hopefully this is not going to get damaged. All I gonna do is just fit this in properly with this. Yeah, okay, let me take this. Okay, let me keep it like this. Yeah, actually this is not needed as the wire is extended, the length is increased, We'll have to do this. Maybe, yeah. We should have taped them separately, but that was causing issue last time. So I don't want to continue with the same method. Right. Screw 1. Got it. Screw 2. Third one here. By the way, I did not add a cable fixing one because it won't fit there. I know some of you will be scolding, keenly observing and scolding. Also missed. Okay, in case if you find this video very long, you can increase the speed so that I am not going to bore you much. Okay. I'm sorry, this screw isn't fitting properly here, so I'm going to remove one of this and check that the length is okay. It's a bit more longer, so I'll add this up here and try. Yes, that worked. Let's put this here and try. This isn't sitting tightly. Okay, now got it. Now just got fixed tightly. Yes. This also. Now this is very firm and rigid. Yeah, good. You're good to go. Let me close this up. Just keep it here. This will remind us the water level minimum maximum. Bajaj and V-Guard both are integrated. Okay, this is okay. Looks like a bit of rust has formed, but it will work. It will do its job for a few more days, and then I'll change it. Yeah. So where's the cap? Here it is. Let me take the screw, put it on here. Two more screws of it. Fix it here. 3, 4. Okay. Bring the multimeter. 55. Remember, earlier also it was showing 55. Here also resistance is 55. Means it is working properly. I got to clean the legs properly. See, 55, 56. That's a good connection. So we got it. Now it's ready. I'll connect it with the bucket and show you. Now I'm just turning on the switch. You'll find some difference when I turn on the switch in this bulb also. Do you find the difference? I don't know whether you really do find in video. Look at it, it's producing bubbles and it's working. Also, why we have extended the wire seats all the way from there. No heater comes in this long, so we have added the additional. Wow, it's quite good. So I am going to take anyhow. I think it's working. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give your comments and like. See you soon.